for cargo load complete. Waiting on command review for transport.
I'm going to hold you right here for a second. Welcome, recruits.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-Num, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now. Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Pucara personnel, this is your final call on board.
That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive needs a Ganidaro AVU.
Good. Airspeed sensor?
AVU.
Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Sympathizers, on a direct order of General Hux, you're to clear the ship at once. Move along to interrogation. I said move along.
Yeah, I know. Slow. You think I passed?
How many?
This group of sympathizers will follow me along this wall.
Stay in line, sympathizer.
How many? What? How many?
will be in group red. How many? 5. You'll have to split yourselves. 2 and 3. 2 will be in blue. Sorry, 2 will be in white. 3 will be in orange. 1, you'll be in blue. 1, you'll be in blue. 2.
Prisoners are secure. Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're with the resistance. We're gonna get you out of here. Let's go, recruits. Let's go.
This way, recruits.
Blue, right over here in this transport. White and orange in this one. Let's go.
Okay, I'm blue. You're blue as well? Good.
Red, my vehicle, back over there.
White and orange.
Are you blue also? I'm confused. Blue.
You're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, R5, calm down. Alright, pull on those yellow safety straps in the back row for us, please. Thank you so much. And front row, pull on those yellow safety straps. Thank you so much. These doors are going to close in just a moment. Alright, this is R5. He's going to take care of you. I reprogrammed him myself. You got this.
Thank you. Oh man.
We should be getting a mission message from Finn momentarily. It's hard in this room. R5, you hear anything?
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, there goes to the prisoners. Information to treasure block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Oh boy.
Detachment to level D.
Fire!
If anyone's cracking a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Wait, why are you going out?
I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad. The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Scapper and Squad beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant back here. Right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. SR5, you too.
Welcome back, recruit! Made it! Right this way, heard you pull up a Star Destroyer.
Shh, don't tell anyone.